The entire trip was thrilling and wonderful. The transfers between underwater world and jetty were smooth. The guides were extremely polite. The one who drove the speedboat was the star. He did an amazing job at that. We had an unforgettable time. We traveled with our parents and they're a little slow to get in and out of the boat. The guide was really patient about that and waited for us every time. The only suggestion I would make is that booking the last slot for the day might lead you to miss out on activities on the islands. All the activities, washroom and even changing rooms were closed before 5. So book an earlier slot and enjoy your trip. Totally worth it. First off, our private boat? Picture this, spacious and comfy. Like, you could stretch out and catch some rays. Perfect? And the weather? Blessing in disguise. Couldn't have asked for better. Now, the lake, seriously beautiful. A legit swimming spot. The scenery is just dreamy. Quick note, we skipped the eagle feeding thing. Feels kinda off, you know. Let's let them do their eagle things naturally. Last island? Beach perfection. Not the spot for snorkeling, but who needs it when it's this beautiful and relaxing? Then, out of the blue, a gang of dolphins showed up. Coolest surprise ever. I mean, who doesn't love dolphins? Shout out to our captain, super chill. Adapted the whole plan to fit our vibe. Thumbs up. In a nutshell, Langkawi Island hopping private boat tour, private paradise, unexpected dolphins, and a captain who gets it. Highly recommend. It was absolutely worth the money. We took the private tour and could choose how long to stay at each location. Love the eagle feeding the most. The lake was so beautiful, and with our own private boat it was an adventure. Worth doing an island hopping. Enjoy our boat ride to Tasik Dayang Bunting Eagle Feeding. Watch Big Rice Island. Awesome experience, we get to see all the checkpoints around Langkawi Island. So much love. Overall experience was great, time spent at an island was about 1 hour each. At Bunting Geoforest Park we did not have much time to walk, so we just chill with the fruit juice. The guide assured our safety during the ride. It's less hassle when booking via Klook. From meeting the driver, drove to the boat ride, guide was friendly and explained to us the places. Once completed, driver drove us back to our hotel. Highly recommend for private moment with family. It was amazing. Strongly suggest anyone who is looking for island hopping. Nice trip with everything arranged for you. The beach was a bit dirty though, so not nice to swim, but the eagle feeding was cool and the guide helped us take some nice photos along the way. Overall nice way to explore the islands. Highly recommended. Very professional, very helpful, kind and polite. It was a great experience. As a family with small children, we recommend the private boat because you don't have to wait for other passengers and you can adjust your schedule freely. They contacted me a day before to confirm the booking and meeting place, and everything went on smoothly. It rained a little, but it was still safe to do the activities. A very pleasant experience.